the middle. A lot of people make this mistake of having patterns that go from left to right or right to left, and the eye movement goes like that. If you can see, the eye movement goes to her neck and then down. Can you see that? Absolutely. Yeah. So, and keep in mind, anything that you wear vertical will make the eye movement go from top to bottom. That does not mean that all of us have to wear pinstripes. It just means that we need to pick patterns that go from top to bottom instead of from side to side. And if you're not very tall, don't have a bottom which is, can you see this bottom? Which is running from left to right. What it does, it cuts your body, from that portion. Now, another way what you can do is you can wear a vest. Have you seen Parineeti Chopra wearing in Ishaq Zadeh movie? If anyone of you have watched it, what you can do is you can use the same trick of wearing a vest over your clothes and cut the eye movement only to this portion. And the rest of the portion looks slimmer. Right? The moment you do layering, your body naturally looks slimmer than usual. Right? So layering means you add on a layer other than what you are wearing. Thank you. Right? Now, point is, when you want to appear slimmer, you need to have monotones in clothing. That means what you're wearing on top and what you're wearing in the bottom should be almost of the same tone. You can't have many tones. When you have red, blue, green, everything happening, it doesn't make you look taller and slimmer. So the trick is that if you're wearing blue pants and they're dark blue pants, then try and wear a lighter blue shirt so that it is the same tone and the eye movement is generally not cut. The more colors you have, the more your body gets cut and separated. The ideal proportionate body should be longer looking legs and shorter looking torso. Do you understand what is longer looking? Suddenly we can't grow our legs, but we can make it look longer by using 2 or 3 things and keeping that in mind. One is, if you want longer looking legs, you wear darker colored pants. You don't wear white pants or you don't wear beige pants. And you see to it that the pants are straight cut. Or if it is a sari, it is already straight cut. A salwar does not help you look young. I am talking of a proper shalwar bottom because it has a rounded shape and therefore it just looks like a fat leg. So where in the most official meetings, it is best to avoid a salwar, and also if possible you can avoid wearing a chudidar because anything that sticks to your body shows off your curves, and therefore if your curves are very dramatic, then the clothing is going to take the shape of your curves and you are going to look rounder. So best is to invest in cute, straight shaped pants called cigarette pants, which you can get anywhere, even in Bangalore. You can get it anywhere in the country also, where the pant is straight shape. This is going to make you look slimmer. Another thing that is going to make you look slimmer and taller are these. Can you see? These are a pair of heels. Anytime you wear heels, it makes your posture different and it gives you a couple of inches of height also. So what happens is, not only do you look taller, it also makes you look slimmer because of the way you carry yourself. You can wear the best of brands, but if your posture is not straight, you're not going to look slim. And please understand that wherever there is a difference in terms of contrast, the eyes of a person looking at you goes there. That means if there is a contrast from the cloth that you're wearing, your neckline and your neck, eyes always go there, right? So therefore, if you feel that you are big busted, see to it that you don't wear a turtleneck. Right? What happens when you wear a turtleneck is the neckline starts from the beginning of your neck, not at the end of your neck, and therefore you seem to have, for the onlooker it looks like you have bigger bust. Right? So any queries, any more queries on looking slim other than color? We have accessories that you can also use. If you want to look slimmer, you need to have longer accessories. That means you don't wear a choker. What makes you actually look longer is having also long neck. So if you don't have a long neckline, please avoid wearing a choker, because again it cuts your neck in such a way that you look shorter. So two things can make you look taller and slimmer: your legs and your neck. So if you keep in mind that these both need to be addressed well, you will look a couple of inches taller than you are. Any queries about this? Yes, we are going to talk about style scale, where what kind of corporate wear you can wear for what kind of a meeting. Right?
And little time check here, that we are 20 minutes left for the session.
Yeah. So what we can do is